Man accused of killing woman and then fleeing the island held by the cops after years on the run. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who police said killed a 24-year-old woman 4 years ago and then fled the island was on Sunday, August the 1st, 2021, arrested and charged just after he was deported back in the country. The accused man has been identified as Ayla Russell of Westmoreland address, while the woman who he was accused of killing has been identified as Nadine Dyer, also from the same parish. Reports from the Newgate police are that on June 5, 2017, relatives reported Daya and her 4-year-old daughter missing. An investigation commenced and the police proceeded to Daya's house, where her decomposing body was found with multiple stab wounds. Reports are that on April 27, 2017, Russell left the island and traveled to the United States, where he was arrested after he committed a crime in that country. 4 years later, Russell was deported on July 29 of this year. Reports are that 2 days after he landed on local soil, a warrant was executed for his arrest. He was subsequently charged for the murder of Dyer. His court date is yet to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.